Here's another sink. Look at those valves. Look how close and tight they are in there. Man, usually you have a drain line and then you have one off to the left and you have one off to the right. Not so tight like that. And those aren't leaking right now either. I was gonna upgrade those too. But really, again, I'm a little constricted on being able to get my wrenches in there and everything because that ABS pipe is right above it. The only real way again to do that would be to cut that pipe off and redo that ABS line and stuff, get it out of the way to get those valves done. So I know somebody's come in here and replumbed this this area, put in these different cabinets. You just don't do things like that when you rough in your hot water and cold water lines. You always look at your sinks and stuff and make a decision. You put your valves away from your trap if you can. Sometimes you can't, and here is a good example of that. If it was life and death, maybe I could finagle, hold my mouth just right and get up in there and scratch up my arm and my knuckles and all that and really do a lot of hoping, and I might be able to get those out. But right now they're not leaking, so I'm going to leave them alone.